Walang street, walang...
Hindi ako sure, sorry po, hindi ako sure, Mr. Chair.
COMSEC is directed, Mr. Chairman, COMSEC is directed also to check this address. If indeed, Mr. Silvestre is renting that place since May. Tama, May, di ba?
Nung May po kasi, Mr. Chair, hindi ako fully nag-grant pa. Nakikistay lang po ako sa...
Tinanong kita kanina, Sadali, patapusin na ako. Ay, ito na ngayon. Wag kang sumagot kung hindi ka sigurado. Oo, sige. Di ba sabi mo kanina, may ka nagrenta doon? Kaya nga ipacheck namin sa COMSEC, just to confirm it indeed, nagrenta ka doon sa lugar na yun last May.
Kularuhin ko po, Mr. Chair.
Sorry?
Nung May kasi po, ang dami ko po kasing kaibigan sa flying school. So, ayaw ko po muna mag-rent talaga kasi nga it's an expense on my part. So, nakikistay muna ako sa mga kaibigan ko.
So, tanong ko ngayon, when was the time that you rented that place?
Sinatanong niyo ba, Mr. Chair, is yung if mayroon akong contract of lease, kinaklaro ko lang po para maintindihan ko po yung sinasabi niyo.
Eh, di, kailan ka nagrenta doon?
Actually, hindi ako, nakikistay lang ako sa mga kaibigan ko doon,
Eto,
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Lacerna, sinabi mo kanina, kahit doon sa kay Congressman Sonsing, that you rented. Ngayon hindi ka nagre-renta. You're just staying in your friends.
Yes po. Ang scheduling po kasi sa flying school po, Mr. Chair, is...
Sandali, I'm not asking you about the schedule of your flying school.
Yes po.
So you denied that you're renting the place. As what you have said when you were being asked by Congressman Sonsing?
Pakiulit po, Mr. Chair.
So you deny now your answer to the query of Congresswoman Sonsing?
Nung May po, Mr. Chair, nagstay muna ako sa kaibigan ko po. Tapos, last week lang po ako nag-rent on my own po.
Last week?
Yes.
Anong address?
Yun po yung sa Barangay Anonas po, in Angeles po.
Pag-check lang, COMSEC. And during that time, hindi ka na makapasok sa Pogo Hub. That was June of 2024.
Yes po.
Now it's August. Saan ka nakatira ng July? From June to July?
Doon po sa mga kaibigan ko po, Mr. Chair.
Saan yun?
In Angeles din po.
Sino mga kaibigan?
Mga friend ko po sa flying school.
Sino nga ang mga kaibigan?
Allowed ba kung
Please
magsabi
state their name.
Allowed ba kung magsabi ng pangalan ng ibang tao, Mr.
Of course. Because we have to invite them.
Can I ask for a legal advice from my legal counsel
yes.
po, Mr. Chair?
Dapat nga eh. Kailangan wala lang type ito.
Mr.
What's the advice of your lawyer?
I am willing to give their names in private naman po to you po. In private po to you, Mr.
In private?
Yes.
Why in private?
For their privacy naman po, Mr. Chair. That's why I didn't...
Privacy? Well, in fact, they will be invited in the next hearing.
Actually,
Eto, De La Serna, kanina pinapakinggan lang kita, kaya sabi ko, eto, kung sinungaling ka. And now, I am proving my, yung ano ko lang ha, kanina,
yes,
that you're lying to Congresswoman Sonsing. Now, bakit hindi mo pwedeng sabihin ng pangalan?
Privacy po kasi nila yun, Mr.
Sorry?
Chair. Privacy po nila yun, Mr. Chair.
Ano?
Ayoko po lang idamay dito sa...
Hey, nadamay ka nga dito. Ano, you lied when you tell this committee a few hours ago na nagre-renta ka.
Nag-rent ako...
No, nag-rent ka ngayon lang.
Yes, last week lang po ako
Oh,
nag-rent.
but
to my
I'm
name po.
asking you when Kong Swansing asked you, sabi mo nagre-rent ka. You never tell this committee na ngayong buwan lang kasi ang critical months is November to May of this year.
Andun po ako sa Angeles po, sa Porac po, na property ng nila Ma'am Cassie po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, kaya nga, ang tinatanong ko sa iyo, sino yung kaibigan mo? Why you cannot disclose the names?
Ayoko pong idamay siya sa gulong itong na pinasa ko.
If you not tell us the name, I will move to cite you in contempt. Oh,
Pwede ko pong pag-isipan, Mr. Chair.
pag-isipan until when? Until you call them? Until you... Alam mo kasi...
Mr. Chair,
Yes, sorry.
it's already past 10 o'clock. If Mr. De La Serna will not answer the question of the Honorable Paduano, I will move that we cite him in contempt. There's nothing involving national security for him not to answer the query of the Honorable Paduano.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Acop. Mr. De La Serna, this is your last warning. Please answer the query of Congressman Paduano.
Ano pangalan niya? Ano pangalan? AR?
You have 1 minute.
Suspended ba tayo?
AR, may pangalan ba o wala? Are you pretending to think about a name? Kasi, alam mo, nagdududa kami sa actuations
po, Mr.
mo.
Chair.
Ha?
Ayoko pong idamay yung kaibigan ko po.
Hindi naman siya madadamay. Imbitahan lang po natin siya kung talagang umuupa ka sa kanya. Yun lang naman gusto ni Chairman
To
Paduano.
be honest po, Mr. Chair, this is
Ha?
very stressful.
Is there really a name or none at all? Kasi alam mo, sa tingin namin, you're just pretending na meron kang inuupahan doon. Kasi hindi mo masabi yung pangalan eh. Just tell us the name.
Mr. Chair,
What is the name?
I remember, Mr. Chair. Just to put into context, I was listening intently the question of Congresswoman Swansing, and it was very clear when she asked the witness, bakit nandun yung mga gamit mo? Diba? When the raid happened. Ang sabi niya, in May, he rented a space. I think the raid happened in June. So maybe sometime there, nag-rent na siya. So ganun talaga yung pagkarinig ko rin na De La Serna, nagre-rent ka na dun sa space na yon. I mean, just near the ano. So basically, Mr. Chair, she was lying and maybe she lied to Congresswoman Swansing.
Mr. De La Serna, meron ka pang opportunity before we rule on the motion to cite you in contempt. Pwede bang sagutin mo yung tanong ni Congressman Paduano?
Eman po, Mr. Chair.
Again?
Eman po.